Hello and welcome back to Dwayne Explains, your financial resource for those questions that you're afraid to raise your hand in class or the boardroom for. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to everyone Canadians' hearts, savings. But we're not just talking about any kind of savings, we're focusing on saving in Canadian terms. Whether you're socking away loonies and toonies for a rainy day or planning for a major milestone, understanding how to save effectively in our great country is key. In Canada, saving money is about more than just putting away a portion of your paycheck. It's about leveraging the unique opportunities our financial system offers. Two giants in the realm of saving are the Tax-Free Savings Account, TFSA, and the Registered Retirement Savings Plan, RRSP. The TFSA is a versatile savings tool for Canadians 18 years and older with a valid social insurance number. It allows you to earn interest, dividends, and capital gains tax-free. You can withdraw the money at any time for any reason without penalty. It's perfect for short-term goals like saving for vacation or an emergency fund. On the other hand, the RRSP is designed for longer-term savings, specifically retirement. The contributions you make reduce your taxable income, potentially putting you in a lower tax bracket. While withdrawals are taxed, the idea is that you'll be in a lower tax bracket in retirement, making it a tax-efficient way to save. But saving isn't just about these accounts. It's also about understanding interest rates, inflation, and how to make your money work for you. High-interest savings accounts, or HISAs, GICs, guaranteed investment certificates, and bonds are all part of a well-rounded Canadian strategy. Let's not forget about setting aside money for education through a Registered Education Savings Plan, which I took advantage of for my boys, which offers government grants to boost your savings. Saving in Canada is an art and a science. Whether you're leveraging a TFSA for flexible savings or an RSP for retirement or exploring other savings vehicles, the key is to start early and save regularly. Thanks for tuning into Dwayne Explains. Here's to making finance a little less daunting and a lot more empowering. See you next episode.